Welcome back, everyone. I'm Terry Lively. Well, I've got a couple of things to talk to you about today. Number one, I wanted to tell you about the convention at the end of this month in fabulous Las Vegas. This will be the convention for the Permanent Cosmetic Professionals annual convention that we have every year with guest speakers and educational events. And we will be there in the vendors room at our booth. We're hosting the Permablend vendors booth, and we'll have all kinds of cool stuff. We'll have machines, we'll have Permablend pigments and kits you can look at. We'll have our real skins out so you can try out some different machines. So it should be a great time, and I hope you can make it. It's March 30th through April 1st there in Las Vegas at the Flamingo Hotel. The second thing I wanted to talk about today is this amazing giveaway. We had a little contest the last week. I started a new Instagram account for the Cosmetic Tattoo Supply store. So you can follow me on Instagram, Cosmetic Tattoo Supply. And to celebrate this new Instagram account, we're going to do a Permablend Sweet Lips giveaway. And to enter, you had to go to my new account, follow, hashtag Permablend giveaway, and then tag 2 permanent makeup artist friends. So we had like over 100 people enter. It was pretty awesome. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to get into my Instagram here and scroll through back and forth, and I'm just going to randomly pick somebody as a winner. Let's see, that didn't work. I was between two people, so let me try it again. Random. Sherytz PMU, that's SHERYTZ PMU. You are a winner, Sherry. I guess it's Sherry. Sherry, oh boy, I'm butchering that. But anyway, SHERYTZ PMU. You are a Permablend Sweet Lips winner. Congratulations and thanks for entering. We will be doing some more giveaways as well in the next couple of months, so make sure you go on to that account and follow us there. And we hope you enjoy it. I'll be posting really great photos of artists' work out there on the new Instagram account. I'll be posting ideas for different lip combinations on pigments, as well as some other great pictures for everyone to get ideas on color combinations and other things that we have to offer in our online store. So anyway, please follow us there. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll talk to you later.